Hey everyone, John Henry here from School of Trade. Today we're taking a look at a long trade here on crude oil. 45.88 is going to be the entry point for a couple of reasons. We're looking like we're attempting to hold a pennant low. If we draw that low across the bottom there, we can see that we're forming a nice little pennant formation looking for a move towards the upside. So the entry point is at 88, looking for the first target at 98, looking for a quick 10-tick scalp on that one. And then in terms of the overall residual movement after that, we're not necessarily expecting a ton, maybe another 10 ticks above that, but that's about it, mainly because we're looking very, very exhausted. We had a big move up. The buyers held the pullback. They trapped in sellers, made another big move up. Trapped in more sellers, made another big move up. And now this last one has gone a little bit parabolic, right? We've gone really aggressively up. And now the sellers are continuing to get trapped in, which is why I like this long. Sellers tried selling underneath here, probably under here, maybe even across these highs. And every single one of them has failed. And that shows us one big thing. It's obvious that the sellers are failing up here. And it's more likely that buyers are going to be coming in for a quick move, maybe just back up towards the highs, maybe for a little bit more, but more likely than not, the buyers are at least controlling the market at the moment. So what are we looking for? Well, we're looking for the buyers to take over for now, and eventually the sellers may come back in a little bit later and try to reclaim some of the ground they lost. But right now, we have to be on the buy side. Even though we are parabolic, we're bullish, we're all the way up, the sellers are being seen as continuing to fail, and there's no reason to go against them, against the buyers right now. The buyers own the market. So in long from 88, looking for 98, and then up to 08 for a 10 and 20 towards the upside here. Stop is down at 78 as well to equal our first target, and everything is looking pretty good. So now it's just a matter of letting the buyers push in and continue the drive higher to finish the job off. Seeing the buyers pushing up towards the highs, there's the first target filled. Let's move the stop down to break even, reduce all of this risk. Okay. It doesn't really matter. We got the second target filled just like that. Beautiful move up. It's exactly what we were looking for in terms of continued bullishness, buying off the lows of the possible pennant formation, and just notable support coming right through that exact same area. They were not able to get through that, and all it ended up being was just a bunch of sell traps before it turned right back up to the upside. Now, there are still probably sellers in this that are looking for a move back down again, but right now in the short term, the buyers own control. Better to stick with them, and that's going to do it for this one. So if you have any questions about it, feel free to send an email to School of Trade. Don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com, and as always, we'll catch you next time.